know that today is the video that a lot of you have been waiting for, and fortunately for me, something else popped up that I can go do today. A friend of mine messaged me this morning and he was like, yo, do you know how to install a new exhaust system? And I was like, yeah, and he was like, can you come help me, man? And I was like, yeah, of course, no problem. And so unfortunately he said he didn't want me to put him in the video, but he said that we could put the exhaust clips in there, so I'm glad that I'll be able to share that with you. He's got an FRS. I'm not sure what year it is, but the car is just gorgeous. Like, I love that car. He's gonna let me record the audio after we get the exhaust installed, and then I'll be announcing the giveaway winner, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Alright, so we just got the exhaust installed, so we're going to try it with these valves, see how loud it is, and then we'll take them out and do a comparison. Alright, start it up! I need to just trade the Mustang in. That sounds so sick! And this car in white is so clean. Okay, so we just took these valves out of here, so you can make it louder if you want. So once you take that out with those two bolts, it opens up the pipes a lot more. It should be way louder. Alright, start it up. This thing sounds so sick. Alright, do a pull. Oh my god! Dude, that thing is so loud. And that's like with a catalytic converter too. Oh my god. Yeah, dude, that was only 300 bucks?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Alright, bro, floor it. Yes, that's so sick. Okay, so this is where things got somewhat interesting. On the day that I recorded this, after I did the exhaust install, I was going to go to the giveaway winner's house and give him the sword, and it was going to be like one nice fluid video. However, he was kind of busy that day and we couldn't get together, and then I had to move out for college, so instead of going and giving him the sword, I'm going to put it in the mail to him probably tomorrow. Okay, so at this point we should be caught up to present day.
After I installed the exhaust with my friend and I wasn't able to link up with the giveaway winner, I had to move out for college and I had to like pack up all my stuff, so I didn't have time to make a video. Then the last video that I uploaded was something that I recorded like in weeks prior. Right now I have to go to the post office because I do not have a box that will fit this sword, so I'm going to try to figure something out. And I also don't know how to ship something because I'm a kid and I never use the mail, so it's going to be a learning experience for sure. While you were partying, I studied the blade. Alright, let's go.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I didn't record anything while I was in the post office because I didn't want to give away the winner's address, but shout out to Grady Morgan for winning the first giveaway. I really hope that this sword is something that you enjoy. Also, I'm pretty sure Grady's trying to get to 1,000, or no, maybe he passed 1,000. Yeah, he's trying to get, I think he's trying to get to 2,000 followers on Instagram, so make sure you guys go over to him. I'll like leave it on the screen or whatever. Give him a follow, because he's a really cool guy. He also likes to draw cars, and yeah, just a cool dude, so shout out to him. If you're interested in winning the next giveaway, be sure to stay tuned. I'll probably be doing another one sometime this year. And yeah, best of luck to you. Okay, so with that out of the way, I want to just give you guys a little bit of an update as to where I've been, what I've been doing, plans for the channel, that sort of thing. So right now I'm currently attending Oregon State University here in Corvallis. Got moved in, got settled, taking all my classes, finally starting to figure out my schedule. Later this week, I'm doing a video with a friend of mine. We're going to be answering the questions that I asked you guys to ask, so shout out if you guys swiped up on Snapchat or whatever. And if you don't have me on Snapchat, now's the time to do that. It'll be on the screen somewhere, I bet. Note to self, future me, editing. Yeah, make sure you put that on there. Hey, I know you can hear me. I know you're watching this right now. Alright, cool. I'm also trying to reach out and make some friends, and so if any of you guys are in the Corvallis, Lebanon area, you have a cool car, let me make a video about it. Let's talk about it. Tell me about it. Showcase it. I love that kind of stuff, okay? I know you guys like cars too, but don't be shy. Just hit me up. Let me know. Also, if you guys don't want to talk about cars and you have any other ideas for videos or things that you want to see, like maybe a dorm tour or whatever else, just make sure you leave a comment or you can message me on Instagram. I'm always open to new ideas, so be sure to let me know. And as far as college goes, like, I'm really enjoying it thus far. Like, this town is super fun. I'm meeting a ton of new people, which is exactly what I love to do, and I'm just having a blast with it. The main thing that I don't like is trying to get used to a new area, and it's so weird driving around in Corvallis because even though the town is really cool and it's really pretty here, the roads are terrible, and not like they're falling apart. I mean, that too, they're not that great, but there's so many one-way roads to the point where it's like, why didn't they just make these super wide one-ways all double-lane roads and then traffic would flow better? I mean, at least that's what I think, but what do I know? I'm just some kid on the internet. Don't listen to me. Also, I just installed this new app called Car Meets. I don't know if you guys use this or what. I kind of doubt it because not many people do, but it's this app that lets you go on here and find people near you, find car meets, that kind of thing. It's all kind of cool stuff. So if you want to follow me on that, it's just at Kaidan Odom. I have 0 followers, and you can see, like, shows your garage, and so there's a picture of my Mustang. And yeah, I always thought that was kind of neat. So maybe if we get enough people follow me on here, we can do like a little car meet or something and get the culture of Oregon State going, you know, because there's a lot of people with fast cars around, but as far as car meets and car culture goes, there's not very much of it at this university, and let's change that, okay? I also recently partnered up with a friend of mine named Hunter, and we're working on developing a brand called Stay Clean, and the whole concept behind it is we want to inspire future influencers, artists, and it's more of just a passion project really, but we're going to make some cool designs, some cool shirts, so if you're interested in that, make sure you follow at Stay Clean on Instagram. We got some more content coming soon, and yeah, should be pretty good. Okay, so I guess that was all the footage that got recorded, so if you liked the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, or don't if you didn't, and have a good night. Peace, guys.